Magandang hapon po ng April 9, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 9, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, April 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 9, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 60.5 million pesos. Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 24.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for Tuesday, April 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 9, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.